A glass of water at 6:30 a.m. is what is hurting the pharmaceutical industry. Find out the reason. Learn how in a simple way you can help your body counteract health weaknesses. It is a simple thing that should only include it in your habit of life, and you will start to enjoy the benefits. What we are talking about is something as simple as taking a glass of water in the morning on an empty stomach. Dresses? It is very normal. The benefits of taking a glass of water fast every day are immensely large. Even many doctors and scientists have determined, thanks to their studies, that taking water on waking can present a quite favorable change to the body and the functioning of this. It is a fact that this therapy helps fight diseases very efficiently. Some of the diseases can be back pain, arthritis, colitis, migraine, chest pains, colitis, low blood pressure, asthma, and, as an extra, helps eliminate the bad cholesterol present in the body. Recommendations: drink about 650 milliliters of water on waking, that equals 4 glasses of water. Avoid drinking tap water, unless you can purify it in some natural way, like using natural herbs to achieve it. You can also drink distilled water, but, as a recommendation, try to add minerals like a teaspoon of baking soda. Try not to exceed in quantity, since all excess is bad and drinking lots of water is not good. If you do not feel good about drinking so much water in the morning, for reasons of age or illness, start taking as much as you can and then slowly increase. After 45 minutes of watering, you can start your brushing or breakfast routine. It is advisable to drink a glass of water half an hour before each meal and do not drink anything 2 hours after each meal. I asked